Let us solve the following. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Tikshita wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is, 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that she will lose the game. Okay, right. Now, let us recapitulate the formula once again. The basic probability formula. The probability of any event is given by P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. So, before finding the favorable outcomes, let us find out the total possible outcomes for this scenario. Okay, what is given here? Here a rupee coin is tossed for 3 times. Okay, now to calculate the probability that Dikshita loses, we first need to determine the total number of possible outcomes when tossing a coin 3 times. So each coin toss has two possibilities, that is head or tail, that we know. So for 3 tosses, the total number of outcomes will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So in the sample space, what are the possible outcomes here? If the coin is tossed for 3 times, we may get head, 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 we may get head, head, tail, we may get head tail head, we may get tail head head, we may get head tail tail, we may get tail head tail, or we may get tail tail head, or 3 times tail. These are the possible outcomes for that particular sample space. What is that particular condition? A 1 rupee coin has been tossed for 3 times. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes, we can say. Total number of possible outcomes are 8 here, right? Yes. Now let us identify the winning outcomes. Okay, so what is given here? So every in the given problem, it is given that she wins if all the 3 tosses give the same result. So all the 3 tosses give the same result means in the 3 tosses it can be head, 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 or tail, tail, tail. Same combination should be there. So total number of winning outcomes will be 2 for her. Okay, remaining all are not equal. Only 3 heads 3 tails. When she get 3 heads and 3 tails, she is going to win, otherwise she will lose. So out of 8 possible outcomes, only 2 are there, for winning, right? But we are not asked to find out, the winning probability. We need to ask the losing probability. So for that, we know, we should understand, we should note down the possible outcomes for losing also. Okay, so coming back to this one, Dikshita loses if the results are mixed. Okay, if all are same, she is going to win, and those all are same outcomes are only 2 out of 8. Okay, so we can find this by subtracting the winning outcomes from the total. Okay, so how many losing outcomes will be there? So losing outcomes will be 2 minus 8 minus 2, that is 6. 2 are winning outcomes, so 8 minus 2, 6 will be there. Okay, so the losing outcomes are, we know head, head, tail, head, tail, head, or tail, head, head, or head, tail, tail, or tail, head, or tail, or tail, tail, head. Okay, so these are the losing outcomes. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Okay, so for the event of getting the probability of losing, so what are the favorable outcomes for her? How many numbers are there? 6 are there. Okay, so the probability of losing P is the number of losing outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes here. So how many losing outcomes are there? 6. How many total outcomes are there? 8. Okay, so the probability of losing, that means Dikshita is going to lose, will be given by 3 by 4. When we simplify 6 by 8, it becomes 3 by 4. Okay, so the probability that Dikshita will lose the game is 3 by 4, or 0.75. Okay, whenever we play game, no, with our friends, we also follow the same rules and regulations. When you win, when you get this one, you're going to win. Okay, here, so the probability of her losing, okay, because she needs to get, in all the 3 tails, she needs to get same outcome. That will be possible only in 2 cases, either head, 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 or tail, tail, tail. Okay, so when we exclude these two, we'll get losing outcomes. So in such a manner, we are able to find the probability that Dikshita will lose the game, that is 3 by 4 or 0.75. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.